Hello and welcome to this webinar covering AVEVA Asset Information Management. This episode forms part of the X-Celerate webinar series that is hosted by IS3, an AVEVA Select partner. My name is Louis Hugo and I will discuss industrial data and how AVEVA AIM can improve trust in your site's data. Industries are currently showing a growing interest in improving how they manage their data. Everything changed when IIoT and big data became the norm and buzzwords for most companies. Access to this data created many opportunities, but this also brought along its own challenges. It is becoming a critical topic where it is more and more challenging for customers to properly manage and baseline their data. A good data strategy can save a lot of time and money, but where it is lacking, it can cause budget and schedule overruns. This brings me to some of the challenges in the industry. All industries have to operate and maintain complex assets. There are information around those assets available that supports those activities, such as the engineering data, the models and schematics, the P&IDs, maintenance instructions, manufacturer's data, and so on. As a site owner, one of the main challenges is locating the relevant data. Design equipment and safety information may be scattered across various project folders or bookshelves. Hopefully it is digitized and saved somewhere on a server too. Drawings and schematics could be stored in document management systems, and if 3D models exist, they can be somewhere separate. The vendor data might be stored in a network drive, and maintenance records will be in the maintenance systems, and so on. The data is stored in diverse formats. Then, the next challenge is to identify the latest ref final, and that can prove difficult at times. These fragmented storage solutions make it hard for users to readily access the information that they need, and unfamiliarity with all the various systems and lack of access rights further complicates matters. The result is a struggle to aggregate reliable data, which can significantly delay simple on-site tasks. The impact of poor data management was investigated in some studies to quantify and get more clarity on it. Gartner found that on average, 47% of workers struggle to find the right information, and that wastes a lot of time. Once the data is located, the different software, the interfaces, and all the revisions can lead to decisions that is made against inaccurate information. This creates a distrust in the data with about 77% of the IT decision makers. Forbes further found that organizations believe poor data quality causes an average loss of about $15 million per year. Reports have shown a potential of about 10 to 30% reduction in engineering hours and up to 20% reduction in operating costs by developing a well-connected foundation for their data. More than 50% of organizations lacked a formal data governance framework and a dedicated budget to address the issue. To drive significant results and improve operational efficiency around information management, it is essential to adopt a unique approach that enables instant access to actionable information. We promote a shift from a document-centric approach to a data-centric approach in information management. The reason is that it is important to establish an information standard layer at the foundation of information management strategies to structure a better format of your data and allow you to exchange data in a better way. This will foster data harmonization among different systems and promote data interoperability and actual trust in your data. This information standards will allow data validation such as completeness, consistency, and data compliance. This validation contributes to building trust in the data and addresses issues relating to accuracy and reliability. Once a set of trusted data is in place, there is an opportunity to exploit and expose this information to end users, allowing them to consume reliable and trustworthy data. And this is exactly what asset information management is for. AVEVA offers a solution, AVEVA Asset Information Management, also referred to as AVEVA AIM or just even AIM sometimes, that has a built-in information standards manager. Asset information management offers a game-changing approach by providing a continuously evolving single source of truth throughout the asset lifecycle. This solution ensures universal access to engineering and asset information, enabling organizations to make faster and more reliable decisions based on actionable and contextualized information. It turns data from multiple information sources and systems into trusted, actionable insights, identifying and cross-referencing all the relationships between the equipment, documents, drawings, and various data formats, all available from a single platform. The digital twin, supported by enterprise data governance, establishes a standardized view of data, ensuring compliance, consistency, and completeness. With such a solution, you will be able to provide visibility of all your data in context, allowing end users to find information within minutes. Improve the quality and trust on your data thanks to data governance and reporting capabilities provided. Drive engineering efficiency and transparency, and create an evergreen digital twin platform that will significantly impact operations and maintenance phases, reducing unplanned downtime, maintenance risk, and cost. Proactively define the data requirements for each project milestone and progressively validate against the quality against compliance, consistency, and completeness as the project progresses. You can also ensure transparency across stakeholders, remove the need for bulky handover at the end of the project, and set the foundation for seamless and timely operations. AVEVA Asset Information Management is a fully agnostic solution that ingests information from various systems and publishes them into a single dashboard. In the back-end process, data is captured from the various sources based on criteria and filters. The system will then interpret the data and validate it against standards to finally consolidate and link them with the existing data already available in the system. Information is then served up into the dashboard, where end users can consume data without the need of having the source application available on their machines. The Information Standards Manager component plays a key role in the capture, interpret, and consolidate process, as this is where standards are being configured. This defines the class library, naming convention, list of values, unit of measures, etc. The system allows to process data against those rules and provides data consistency, completeness, and correctness reports to ensure compliance against industry, enterprise, or project standards. With these capabilities, organizations can also easily update the rules and rerun the process without needing to recapture the data. This ensures agility and adaptability to evolving business requirements along the project lifecycle. With AVEVA Asset Information Management, we provide a fully agnostic solution, meaning it can support a wide range of data sources from various vendors. It has the capability to capture diverse types of information, such as engineering information, schematics, design layout, operational data, shift reports, maintenance tasks, permits to work, alarms, and inspection systems. This versatility allows AIM to be utilized throughout all stages of a project and adapt to the evolving need of the project. By aggregating all this information into a single solution, AIM enables access to specific information about an asset within 3 minutes. This includes seamlessly navigating from engineering data to real-time data and transactional data, while understanding the complete context of the asset. AVEVA offers a diverse portfolio which addresses challenges across the design and build, operate, and optimize sectors. At the center of all these is industrial information, which is crucial to all of them. AVEVA Asset Information Management is at the center of it all, where we consolidate all the data from the various sectors into a central point. This makes data management with AVEVA products very easy. AVEVA Asset Information Management is a browser-based application, and the landing page has a search bar where you can search for a tag or asset name, and then navigate to the selected item. This page that is displayed has links to the available information relating to the other assets. As you can see on this screen, we have the index of information for a specific pump, which I will also show in the demonstration, with all the links to various information sources added. Some of the links are links to live data, for example, the AVEVA Insight and AVEVA Pi. We also have links to AVEVA Predictive Analytics that also updates in real time. There are also links to other data sources such as maintenance orders, PNIDs, 3D drawings, and other documents as well. This brings us to the demonstration of the software. I will be showing you a brief overview of how the software works so that you have a general feel of what to expect when using AVEVA AIM. As you can see, we are on the homepage of AVEVA Asset Information Management. At the top left, we have a search bar where you can type a portion of the tag name and it displays all the options where that is part of the name. Selecting the pump 9002 J9002A, we have on the left-hand side the technical specifications, and on the top right, we have links to some of the other software that has been linked to this specific pump that the site has available. Here we are looking at the Pi Vision screen for that specific pump, showing some efficiencies and bearing temperatures, and we can also navigate to the Predictive Analytics software that shows the maintenance data and the equipment status of the same pump. We have links to the parts and components here, and we can also see on this index screen the bearing temperatures from Pi Vision straight in this index, and we can quickly reference it there. We can open up the 3D model for this pump, and once it has loaded, the software will automatically focus on the specific selected piece of equipment. From here, you can zoom, scroll, and pan as you would in any drawing software. And if you select a neighboring equipment piece, you have a link to the selected piece of equipment index, and there you can now reference any additional information that was uploaded for the selected equipment piece. Going back to the original pump and going to the PNID for that pump, you can see once the PNID has loaded, it also zooms into the selected pump, and here you can zoom and pan as you would in any drawing in any PNID software, and you can select other pieces of equipment, for example, the same pump as we selected in the 3D, where you also have the link to the index right at your fingertips. Going back to the original pumps index, we can now scroll down and reference one of the previous incident reports where the incident report was uploaded and stored in another database. But since the AIM software references that information, you know that you have the latest version of the document available. And you can also reference other pieces of documentation, such as maintenance work orders. And knowing that all the work orders are uploaded on your system, you can just reference the latest work order on your AIM database, and it takes you to the correct files. Looking at the previous work orders, you can also now quickly save either a template or reference the previously filled in risk assessments. And now to minimize the time spent on permits and all that, you can even put your templates there. Making it more easy for the technician to work, you can also quickly and easily access the annual maintenance procedure and issue that to the team that will be performing the maintenance, knowing that they are working from the latest and the correct version of the maintenance work procedure, so that you can quickly and efficiently perform all the tasks that are required on site. As I just shown in the demonstration, AVEVA Asset Information Management offers a lot of benefits. The most important would be that your decision makers can now make clued up, informed decisions based on data that they can trust. Another big advantage would be that your maintenance team can be issued with the correct information, do work permits quicker, and now they can also reference any adjacent information, even an isolation procedure, and know which pieces of equipment is referenced by just looking at the 3D drawing without even needing to have access to this 3D drawing software. This concludes the technical content for this webinar. If you have any additional questions or you would like to have an in-depth demonstration of AVEVA Asset Information Management, please reach out to us at our website is3.co.za, and we can schedule a call, or even if you would like an in-depth in-person demonstration, we invite you to visit us at our Customer Experience Center, where we can delve into the intricacies of AIM or any of the other AVEVA software. For example, you can see the 9 screens there, which is our multi-screen unified operation centers, where companies can have an overview of the whole business in one single glance. Thank you for the time, and I hope to catch you at the next installment of this X-Celerate webinar series. Have a good day.